This is an installation video on a LevelMaster 6-thread stair stringer. The first step is measuring the total going. And then we measure to make sure everything's level and in line. Then the stringer can be lined up with the wall. The LevelMaster base plates come with 60mm of thread for adjustability when installing. This adjustment in the base plate allows for a 30mm decrease or increase in the height of the stringer, which makes it easy to level your treads. Now it's bang on level with the wall, the other one can get put in and leveled out as well. Once the stringers are at the right height by adjusting the base plate, we can then stencil around the base plate and remove the stringers to install the anchor bolt. Then drill the holes in. And then bolt it down. Once the base plates are anchored to the ground, we can then reattach the stringers to the base plates. Fit it in place. And the other as well. And then it can be screwed in and then fastened. Checking to make sure everything's all level now that it's been fastened in. And it's all level. Now we're just securing the stringer to the concrete. Then we'll bolt it down so it's all in place. And then do the same with the other one. Just marking on the tread where we'll need to drill the holes. Then drilling pilot holes for us to screw into. And we're using some M8 screws to fix the treads to the stringers. And then it's the same process for the rest. And there we have it, a complete set of stairs using the LevelMaster stringers and treads.